In this video, we're going to go over how to assign students a pre-made assignment using a G Suite tool such as Google Docs. So what I'm saying is, pretend you are standing in front of your classroom and you are going to distribute a paper for all of your students to complete. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to do it digitally. So in order to do this, we're going to begin in Google Docs. So pretend for a minute I want my students to watch a video on penguins, and I want them to type down 3 interesting facts they learned from the video. So I'm going to do a good old-fashioned Google search for Google Docs to get there. I know there's 1,000 other ways. I'm just keeping it basic. If you are not signed in, the sign-in screen will come up at this point. And remember, it's always going to be your district email and your district email password. That is what's considered your Google account. I'm going to go to blank, and I'm going to construct the paper that I want to send out to all of the students. I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to say All About Penguins. And I'm going to always have the students put their name and the date at the top. So that's just a reminder, especially for the little mini Googlers. Sometimes they need it. And I'm going to put the title again and give them some directions underneath that. You set this up any way you want. Here's a chance for you to change the size, the color, anything you want, whatever way you want this to look, because remember, this is what the students will open as they complete the assignment. So list 3 facts about penguins you learned from the video. Now, once this is the way I want it, and you can make it very fancy if you want, I'm simply going to close it. Now remember, Google auto saves this. It's telling me that right now. I don't have to worry about hitting a save button. I know that right now it's dropping it into Drive. Now it does look like it's running a little slow, so hopefully there it is. I'm going to exit this out. I don't need it anymore. So now I've got my worksheet done and I'm back in Classroom, and now I want to push that out to all the students. So I'm going to go to Classwork, and I'm going to go to Create, and I want this to be an assignment. So I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to type some instructions, and to push it out to the students, I'm going to say, add the file that I just made from Google Drive. That file will probably be the first one that appears at the top because you just touched that file. So you're going to click on the file and hit add. Now, the most important thing is this. This is a star. Write it down, highlight it, circle it. If you do not give students a copy of this, all they can do at this point is look at the paper. So this drop-down button, students can edit, means every student in the class will be typing on the same paper. We don't want that. We want Google, make a copy for every student in my class. Then I can come up here and make sure that this is going to drop itself into the correct classroom if I have more than one, and I can even pick different classes. In addition, I can choose which students get it. Right now it's all students. I can assign a point value, or I can drop down and say it's ungraded. I can choose a due date, and if I've set up topics, I can choose a topic, day, or place to put this. So I'm going to say I want it in day 1, and I'm going to hit assign. Now what you're going to see in just a second is in day 1 of this classroom, the students are now going to have an assignment where they're going to reflect on a video. Here it is, all about penguins. And when the students click on this, they will see their name here. This is the teacher version, but they will see their name here, and this will automatically open in their account. And when they're done, they can share it right back to you.